You have rest in 1 minute.
No one has rest now.
I know it. Ranged move. Boom is moving a bit more, counters. Kill shot the sampling. Kill shot sampling.
Sanctus, you need to move.
Okay, move a lot, move a lot, move a lot, move a lot. KX necrotic. Let's go.
Move, range, move out, watch out.
Move out, move out, move out, move out, move out, move out, move out. It's okay, you rest him when we enter, alright?
Yeah.
And rebuff from the warriors.
Bug your picks and
Spread, spread, please.
MD the next 112 test, yeah. The last two 112 test. Salvation on the mages, please. Salvation like Nerdic, salvation like Siemens. Salvation them, salvation them. Spread more range DPS. Boomies, you're stuck on the Shadow Priest. Remember your stuns, remember your sacrifice order. Babu first, NZM second. True power third with deep rot. Great.
rebuff.
Kings and might on the warlock, on the warriors. Stack up, stack up, stack up, stack up, stack up, stack up. On the star, on the fighting star, stack on the star, stack on the star.
Frost trap, frost trap.
Troll-tastic trap. Okay. Range on the diamond, range on the fucking diamond. More EPS on diamond, finish it, finish it. And the nipple. I'm dead. Kill me. Rest me now. Dexter, rest me. Dexter, rest me.
Stuck.
Might on warrior, please.
Booming 2, rest me. Okay, I'm accepting after. I'm accepting right now. Spread for default. Range on the diamond. Range on the diamond.
No one is stunning triangle every single time.
The high cliff is supposed to stun triangle. Range on diamond. Altesse, can you take the next Reaper? Rebuff Violator. Reaper incoming. I'll taunt after the Reaper. Stack up. Stack behind Lich King. Rebuff me.
Move from the fan, move.
Move away.
Okay.
We have to stun them.
No slow, no stun.
Stun them.
Innervate Holy Paladin.
EXP, innervate Holy Paladin, we have monetary totems.
Okay, spread for default. We spread and then we stack behind Lich King. Default now. Spread. Don't compromise the side behind Lich King. Okay, stack up fast.
Stuck behind, stuck fast. Don't.
Holy Pala grabbed. Nipple.
Frost trap on the edge.
More
Frost
EPS in
trap
time.
on the edge.
Okay, I think we can push now.
Push, yeah.
Push Lich King. Default in 5 seconds. Default and push. Good, nice default. Kill me harder.
Push.
Oh, what? Move out fast.
Push. Okay, get ready to move. Stun them.
Good.
I'm doing
This
our
time when we go
mastery.
outside, Aura Mastery and Frost, Aura Mastery
did.
Frost. Kill them hard.
Might warrior, please.
Okay, rebuff warriors, rebuff DKs too. G-boss on DKs, I'll place you. Kill the sphere. Range DPS, get more.
Jacob. Can you heal me?
Okay. Boom Loom, take the spheres, please.
Everybody on the ragings. Even mages on the ranges.
Watch out your aggro now. Watch fucking aggro.
I taunted. Behind the raging, guys. Everybody on the rage. Mages on the ragings. Kill the
Use
sphere.
innervates on cooldown.
Use your mana tides, use your innervates, whatever. We have one more innervate without cooldown. Use it. On Espada, innervate Espada.
Yeah, use it.
Innervate
your-
Espada now. Good job.
DPS cooldowns as well. Kill these.
I'm taking Lich King, kill me. More DPS on raging. Okay.
Can you please might warrior?
Mighty
Today.
warriors, please. On the star. Boom Tilum, you do first shit. On the star. Follow the star. Anti-clockwise, follow the star. Kill these wicked spirits. When we go outside, we have to deal with Defile and the spirit. Defile, spirit, and Soul Reaper. Kill me hard. Beacon on Violator.
Yeah, I will, don't worry.
There's a bomb right above us.
Move a lot.
D-sack.
Nice.
Who is taking Lich King? Put the
I'm
sack.
taking Violator is on Lich King. Sacrifice me too.
Yeah, I did. You have. I'm using Prot as well. Kill raging, guys.
Don't move the raging dude.
Wait, stop, Altesia.
Stop moving.
Tess.
Do not move raging.
Is he on
Just
this
move
one?
with him and kill it, doesn't matter. Defile, and then you stuck behind Lich King. Defile. Altesia, you're gonna soak.
I can soak as well.
You soak, okay. Defile in 5 seconds, get ready. Defile. Sacrifice me for a Reaper too.
I did our master.
Nice. Okay, we're entering now.
We'll suck you when we go out, okay?
Okay, thanks. Suck me and PS me when we go outside. Okay, move. Stay here. Hug the wall here.
Help
Hug the
heal if
fucking
you can.
Move, hugging the wall. On the star, not in front, not behind.
Soulstone,
I have Soulstone, Stay here. We move a bit and we go outside in 5 seconds. We're going outside right now. Sacrifice me and pain separation Violet. Defile. Sacrifice me, pain
Let's
separation
do it.
Violet. What the fuck is the defile? Okay, decent.
Okay.
I will.
Soak.
I have
Nice.
sack for next Reaper.
There's a spirit still. Okay, good job. Can we rest him? Dexter, can you rest Trolltastic? Defile in 4 seconds. Get ready. Defile 4 seconds.
Suck on tank.
Yeah,
I will army. Move away.
EX key innervate Joker.
Heal Enzyme.
Okay. One more chamber and we kill this, alright? I give you fucking This is a long fight.
You think?
Yeah. I have IBF when we go outside. You soak Jacob. So Aldessia try to soak with him. Move, move, move. Kill the spirits, kill the spirits. Second Starfall, please. Stay here, stay here. Move a lot. Kinda. Boomy, boomy, move. Next.
Should use BL when we get out. See if
Yeah,
we
just do it,
can
just
have
do it.
it.
Espada BL.
You're sated.
No, some
There's
people
5
died.
people that are not.
Kill the spirits, kill the spirits, kill the spirits. Kill...
Last
What the
Minotaur
fuck?
died.
You
It's
have to
gonna be
guide.
enraged.
You have to
Unless he
guide.
can unless he can reincarnate now.
Guide it. Aldessia, take Lis King. D-Sang, D-Prot, whatever. Okay, he's casting. Stop the spirits if you can.
Pin suppression from the later.
We're fine, it's done. Kill Lis King.
Stay in burst.
Go behind Lis King. Kill Lis King. Go behind him and kill him.
Tides, innervates.
Defile in 1 second. Just kill Lis King. Doesn't matter. Kill Lis King. Yes! Fuck's sake. Yes.
Yeah, congrats guys.
GG.
GG, guys.
Third round, third load.
Like
Nice.
2 fucking hours wiping on LoD.
Your fault, Rosie.
Because of your headache.
Oh my god.
3 fucking hours, but like... I'm gonna give the KP a bit extra.
Is it time to do Bane now?
Sure.
I need more DKP for Pony.
So guys, tomorrow, 4th LoD?
Easy.
Easy.
Joker scumbag.
Wait, that shaman released?
What to do when we don't have fucking ancestral on the tanks? I literally overheal them with nourish.
Scumbag.
By the way, there's one of you hunters that's gonna recognize himself. Do not use volley on Valkyries, please. Ever again in your life. Please just don't. I know who you are, but I won't say it.
What?
You mean Jumbo?
What the fuck? Oops, I fucked up again. Should I hysteria myself maybe?
Hysteria me, Rosie.
Yeah, suck my dick.
Come on, for the fun.
Stare at a Shadow Priest for that wand damage.
Yeah, come
Griffin,
on.
upload this fucking video. Wait, does hysteria benefit from... actually, does the wound damage benefit from hysteria?
Yes. It is physical damage.
Check.
Wait, do all of us get 10k DKP like Blair or...
No, wait, you got 2.5k. I just gave him a bit less because he wasn't here for the whole time.
No, you gave him 10k, man.
No, I minused him 10k, that's why. It was a mistake.
No,
So-
it is not mistake. Just keep like that.
Ooh, the crossbow.